One morning, Little Ant found a big watermelon. "How can I move this?" he said. He pushed the watermelon. It didn't move at all. "I tried my best," he said softly. He ran back to the anthill. "Come quickly! Big food! Big food!" Soon, many ants came to help. Some ants climbed up the watermelon. Tiny teeth went nibble, nibble. Red pieces fell down. Some ants carried small pieces in a line. Other ants carried one big red piece together. Finally, only the green rind was left. The ants smiled happily. Small friends can do big things together. Who would you ask for help? Like and follow.